Good morning, students. Today, History, Unit 7, Anti-Colonial Movements and the Birth of Nationalism. The continuation. Yesterday, we saw Indian National Congress, 1885. Today, Partition of Bengal. The partition of Bengal was started in 1905. During the time, British ruled over Bengal. Indians against the British during that time. Because of their main aim, British's main aim, Bengal wanted to divided into two. Particularly, the Hindus and Muslims were lived in Bengal. The Britishers wanted to divide and rule in Bengal. The Muslims and Hindus angered against the British. Hindu-Muslim divide. After the domination of the British in India, the Bengal was divided into two. One is the West Bengal, another one is the East Bengal. The West Bengal and the East Bengal. The Curzon reduced Bengali speaking people in the West Bengal. They were the minority people. The Bengali speaking people were the minority. Curzon divided Bengal into two, and one is the Bengali speaking people. They lived in West Bengal. And Muslims lived in East Bengal. The Bengal was divided into two, West Bengal and East Bengal. West Bengal, the Curzon divided into West Bengal, divided the Bengali speaking people. They were the minority people. And the East Bengal, mostly the Muslim people were living in East Bengal. So the Lord Curzon belonged to British. He divided the Bengal into two. Noted. Anti-partition movement. Against the British, Hindus and Muslims were joined together, and against the British during that time, anti-partition movement was started. Anti means against the partition movement. Their main aim what? British main aim what? Bengal want to divide into two. Bengal divided into two. That is the main aim of British, divide and rule policy. Particularly, they wanted to segregate Hindus and Muslims. But the anti-partition movement was started during the time of 1905. Both Hindus and Muslims joined together. The failure of Annal means Radd. The partition was they against the party, Indians against the partition. But the Britishers Annal during that time. Radd seyyapattathu. The moderates, yesterday I told you, the moderate protest against the British. The moderate policy what? Non-violence. Non-violence. Without weapons, we want to attack independence. That is the main aim of moderates. Who are all the moderate leaders? Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, Gopalakrishna Gokhale and M.G. Renedy were known as moderates. The moderate people protested against the British during that time. The moderates boycotted the schools, colleges and hospitals and also government offices like that. The militant nationalists were known as extremists. 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 Extremists were known as militant nationalists. The extremists, yesterday I told you, who are known as the extremists: Bal Lal Pal, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Lala Lajpat Rai were known as militant nationalists. They were known as the extremists. They thought that the moderate policy was not able to get our independence. Non-violence policy not able to give independence for India. They thought that. So, they adopted extremist policy. With weapons only we can attain the independence. They thought that. The extremists thought that. So, extremist ideas, Lal Pal Pal, extremists were cruelly they treated the British and they fought against the British and want to get independence. That is the main violence policy. While not non-violence. Violence policy only followed by the militant nationalists or the extremists. Finally, the Britishers suppressed these opposition of India. So, finally, Bengal was partitioned in 16th October 1905. 16th October 1905, Bengal was divided into two. In that day, the India was mourning against all over India. Boycott of Swadeshi movement in Bengal. Swadeshi literally means one's own country. Swadeshi literally means one's own country. India for Indians, not for Britishers. The Indian people boycotted the Swadeshi movement in Bengal. They wanted to oust British from the Bengal. Indians wanted to oust Britishers from Bengal. So, Swadeshi movement was started. In the Swadeshi movement, four major trends were followed. One is the moderate trend. The moderate trend. Moderate trend policy what? Moderate policy what? Non-violence. Non-violence policy. Many moderates participated and through the newspaper, magazines, and they declared their independence, Indian independence, regarding our independence. So, moderate trend, we want to get, peacefully we want to get freedom from British. The constructive Swadeshi, I am going to explain you. Militant nationalism, extremist, revolutionary terrorism. Revolutionary terrorism. The extremists followed the terrorist policy. The extremists followed terrorist policy. But terrorist policy during that time noted. Constructive Swadeshi. Second one, constructive Swadeshi. It focused constructions, particularly the constructions, like they construct the buildings during that time. Swadeshi, one's own country. India involved in constructions. Indian people, all the Indian people joined together and constructed the buildings like that. Swadeshi buildings were started. So, the constructive buildings for particularly the institutions, schools, colleges and other institutions were started. So these institutions wanted to rule the self-governance, not for British governance. Indian governs. Self-governs means Indian governs. India administration want to do by the Indians. For the constructed, so the people of India constructed more and more buildings during that time. Indian buildings. And administered by the Indians during that time. After that, the Indian people joined together and Swadeshi shops were opened. Particularly textiles. Textile mills were open and handlooms were open. Soap shops were open. Earthenware were open, and match and leather goods were started during that time. Passive resistance. The Indian people boycotted the foreign goods initially. Foreign goods. We want to get only the native goods only. The goods and services are British goods and services are flooded our Indian market. The Indian people boycotted the foreign goods during that time, and schools, colleges, and government institutions were boycotted during that time. Because of these schools, colleges, and government institutions were administered by the British. So Indians were strictly prohibited these institutions, boycotted the institutions. Finally, development of Swadeshi industries were opened. Swadeshi industries were started. Swadeshi means what? One's own country. India for Indians. Indian industries were opened finally. Because of the industries were destroyed by the British. Indian industries were destroyed. The British industries were established during that time. All the raw materials goes to British industries. The Indian goods and services goes to British industries. All the people want to buy only the finished products of British. Listen here, students. Once again, I am going to recall partition of Bengal in 1905. In 1905, the partition of Bengal were made. Particularly, the Indians protest against the British. The British rule in Bengal was divided into two. The Bengal wanted to divide into, that is the main aim of British during that time. Particularly, they wanted to divide Indo-Muslims. Indo-Muslim divide. Indo-Muslim division was the main aim of the British during that time. Note it. Indo-Muslim divide. During the time of 1905, partition of Bengal, the Bengal was divided into two. One is the West Bengal, another one is the East Bengal. The Lord Curzon belonged to British, reduced the Bengali speaking people minority in Bengal, and particularly the West Bengal. Bengali speaking people in West Bengal. So minority people, they lived in that particular West Bengal area. And Muslims were majority Muslims were lived in East Bengal. They divided Bengali speaking people separately, and Muslim people were separately during that time. Curzon divided into two Bengal. Finally, East and West Bengal were divided. Anti-partition movement. The anti-partition movement was started. Indians, all the Indians joined together. Indians and Hindus and Muslims joined together, and they against the British partition in Bengal. Failure of annual moderate policy what? To protest against the British. The moderates boycotted the schools, colleges, and government institutions were boycotted during that time. Not only the schools, colleges, and government institutions, but also foreign goods also boycotted during that time. Then moderate leaders were Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, and M.G. Ranade were known as moderate leaders. The militant nationalists were known as Bal Lal Paul, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Bipin Chandra Pal were known as militant nationalists or the extremists. During that time, finally, they both of moderates and extremists fought against the British for anti-partition movement, but the British has suppressed this anti-partition movement, and finally Bengal was divided into two, partition into two on 16th October 1905. And that day, all over India, mourning during that time. Note, boycott of Swadeshi movement in Bengal. There are four major trends in boycott of Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi literally means what? One's own country. The first one, the moderate trend, moderate policy, peacefully. They wanted to attain the independence. That is the moderate trend. And constructive Swadeshi. Swadeshi means what? Literally means one's own country. One's own country. Swadeshi goods and services were increased in our country. Swadeshi good. And Swadeshi buildings were started. Constructive programs were started. Schools, colleges, and these are all the constructive Swadeshi movement were started during that time. Militant nationalism, the extremists fought against the British during the time. Both moderates and the extremists joined together finally and fought against the British. They boycotted the British trend in India. Revolutionary terrorism was started. Both moderates and extremists joined together, and terrorist policy were followed finally. Noted. Constructive Swadeshi. They focused on buildings. Swadeshi movement was started in that time. They focused on buildings. More and more schools, colleges, and public buildings and institutions were started. Industries were built. And these are all self-governs. The Indian people only want to govern in these institutions, buildings like that. Schools, colleges, and institutions and industries were governed by the Indians. So, Swadeshi shops were started after that, particularly textile, handlooms, soaps, earthenware, match, and leather goods were started during that. Leather goods shops were started during that. These are all Swadeshi shops. Swadeshi shops. Swadeshi shops means what? Our Indian shops. Finally, they started. Passive resistance. Finally, all the Indians joined together and boycott of foreign goods and services in India. Finally, schools, colleges, and government institutions were boycotted against the British because of administered by the British during that time. Finally, development of Swadeshi industries were started in India. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students. Tomorrow I am going to continue this lesson. Okay then.